When the weather turns chilly or your hands need a little extra love, LOccitane's 25% organic shea butter intensive hand balm could be the answer to your prayers. With dry hands, especially in winter, it's easy to lose sight of the importance of a truly nourishing hand cream that goes beyond just temporary relief. But does this one live up to the promises on the packaging? Let's break it down. LOccitane has been known for its commitment to quality and skin-loving ingredients, and this hand balm is no exception. With 25% organic shea butter, it promises to repair, nourish, and protect dry hands, all while being fast-absorbing. Shea butter, as many of us know, is packed with vitamins A, E, and F, all crucial for soothing and restoring skin. It's a key ingredient that helps moisturize and soften even the roughest skin. But is it the best at doing all that? First, let's talk about how it feels. The balm is incredibly rich and thick, and I found that a little goes a long way. When you apply it, the texture is smooth, almost creamy, but not greasy. It absorbs into the skin surprisingly fast, which I appreciated because sometimes heavy balms can leave a greasy residue. With LOccitane's hand balm, my hands felt nourished without that sticky afterfeel. As for real-world performance, I tested it over several days of winter conditions, inside with the dry heat blasting, and outside during chilly mornings. My skin typically gets dry, flaky, and even cracked during the colder months. But this balm really delivered. It worked well through multiple applications and kept my hands hydrated through hours of use. Even after washing my hands, there was still a soft, smooth feel that wasn't completely gone. That's the part where I think LOccitane really shines. It doesn't just provide a quick fix, but has long-lasting effects. However, there are a couple of things worth noting. For one, if you have more sensitive skin, this balm does have a slight fragrance, which may not be to everyone's liking. It's not overpowering, but if you're sensitive to scents, it's something to keep in mind. Additionally, for the price point, it is definitely on the higher end for a hand balm. That being said, considering the quality of the ingredients, I do think it provides excellent value. Let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are pretty clear. First, the 25% organic shea butter content really is a game changer for dry skin, especially for those of us battling the winter elements. The fast absorption and smooth finish are also huge selling points. The travel-size packaging makes it easy to carry around, and the fact that it's vegan adds another layer of appeal for those seeking more eco-conscious beauty options. As for cons, the price might deter some. While I do think the product is high quality, there are less expensive options that could also do the job, though probably without the same luxury feel. And, as mentioned, the scent might not be for everyone, especially those with sensitive skin or noses. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are a few alternatives on the market that offer similar results. You could try brands like Burt's Bees, which uses natural ingredients and offers excellent moisture without the higher price tag. But if you're willing to splurge a bit, LOccitane's balm stands out in terms of its rich formulation and lasting impact. In terms of build quality, LOccitane has done a great job with the packaging. The 150 milliliter size is generous, and the sturdy, sleek tube ensures no mess when you apply. It's the kind of product that you don't mind keeping out on your desk or vanity. If you've been eyeing this product and wondering whether it's worth it, my final verdict is that yes, it absolutely lives up to its claims. It's a high-quality, luxurious hand balm that is perfect for those who need some serious moisture and protection, especially in harsh conditions. The vegan formula adds bonus points, and the rich texture truly nurtures the skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the description box for a link to purchase this hand balm. If you've used it, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. Let's chat. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.